Well, imagine a curry which is not literally a curry, but more saucy and thicker. Spicy, sweet, velvety, sophisticated. Hey guys, this is me Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. The curry that I'm referring to is actually a Panang curry. Vegetarian with tofu, say red peppers and French beans. Let's begin. While I say Panang curry, do not confuse this with the island Panang of Malaysia, but this possibly could be the trade route from Panang to Thai, and this is just conjecture because history has this recipe first documented in the 1870. Possibly a trade route, possibly from the royal palaces of Thailand, whatever the reason. Trust me, it's one of the most wonderful recipes for someone who's not looking at a slurpy, thin Thai curry, but for something that is dense, literally mop-worthy and saucy, thick. Let's begin. Let's first begin with the spice paste and add in oil. Before the oil begins to heat, let's slide in shallots, some lemongrass. Let's add in the trio makrut leaves or Kaffir lime leaves, garlic cloves, Thai chillies, a couple of pieces of Galangal. I'm adding in fresh turmeric. Along with this, cumin seeds, coriander seeds. And finally to this, roasted peanuts are skimmed. Stir this well. And with this, of course, the flame. Allow this to cool down completely, after which we're going to grind this into a fine and smooth paste. Now you would have realized the difference by now between a Thai curry and a classic Panang curry. Well, the difference here, if you've not noticed, are peanuts. Well, peanuts really bring in that velvety creaminess, that sophistication in this recipe. But however, if by any chance you are allergic to peanuts, then you can use sunflower seeds, you can use melon seeds. If you're okay with cashew nuts or candle nuts, you can use those. But peanuts really are defining because that also kind of brings in that flavor, that earthiness that Panang really needs. A Panang curry paste is done and ready. Now let's fry it in the same pan with a little more oil. While talking about the color of the curry, of course we have the red, the green and the masaman, but the yellow of this really stands out vibrant and different. We need to cook this on medium flame till literally it becomes like a ball of spice, like so. And we also need to ensure that oil starts releasing the sides of the pan. So the next thing that goes in is coconut milk. I'm just going to take like half a cup of water so that this helps in cooking the vegetables while also balancing the consistency of the curry sauce. To this, let's add in red bell peppers. Along with this, the French beans, which are also snipped from either sides and then cut into 2 pieces. Time to add in soy sauce, a little piece of palm sugar and salt as required. Mix this well and allow the vegetables to cook perfectly. Of course, you can leave it a slight texture and keep it al dente. At this stage, it's still kind of watery, almost like a Thai curry, but that's not the final consistency because by the time the vegetables cook, this will be perfect. Well, this is how Panang curry now has reduced to a sauce-like consistency. At this stage, I'm going to drop in fried tofu cubes. A couple of rolls like so. With this, of course, the flame and your Panang curry is done and ready, and this goes amazingly well, of course, with jasmine rice. It's velvety, it's smooth, it's sweet, it's salty. It's got that little nuttiness that, of course, comes in from the peanuts, and the fat in the peanuts literally are the bridge in integrating all these wonderful, beautiful flavors together. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, gentlemen and ladies, and let me know in the comment section which other recipes you would like me to make for you. This is me, Varun Inamdar, signing off. Bye for now.